In this video, I will show you how you can use our wireless speaker kits to set up speakers without running ugly speaker wires. I'll explain how to set up our Model 1600 wireless speaker kit to connect two rear speakers to a home theater surround sound receiver. Our other models of wireless speaker kits are set up the same way. Our Model 1600 comes with a transmitter unit as well as two wireless amplifiers. The transmitter connects to your home theater receiver either via an RCA cable or via two short speaker cables. If your receiver offers unamplified audio outputs for the rear speakers, then I recommend connecting the transmitter by using the supplied RCA cable. Plug one end of the cable into the rear channel audio output of your home theater receiver and the other end into the RCA input of the wireless transmitter. If your home theater receiver does not offer unamplified outputs for the rear speakers, then connect the transmitter to your receiver by using two of the supplied short speaker cables. Connect one cable to the speaker output for the left rear speaker and the other cable to the speaker output for the right rear speaker. These outputs are usually clearly marked on your home theater receiver. Connect the other end of the speaker cables to the speaker clamp type audio input of the transmitter. Make sure to observe the color coding of the speaker cable as well as the color coding of the speaker terminals when making the connection. This will ensure that both of your rear speakers will be in phase. Finally, connect DC plug of the small wall wart type power supply to the power input of the transmitter and plug the wall wart into a nearby power outlet. The green light at the top of the transmitter should light. Next, it's time to connect your speakers. First, connect the DC plug of each large wall wart to the DC input of each wireless amplifier. Next, plug each wall wart into a nearby outlet. Make sure that you make the DC plug connection before plugging the wall warts into an outlet to protect the wireless amplifiers. Now, connect each of the two wireless amplifiers to your rear speakers by using the other two short speaker cables. Connect one end of each cable to the speaker clamp of each wireless amplifier and the other end to the speaker clamp of your speakers. Again, be sure to observe the color coding of the speaker cable and the speaker cable clamps to ensure that your speakers will be in phase. For best wireless reception, place the wireless amplifiers such as the front of the amplifier faces towards the transmitter. The transmitter and wireless amplifiers have a volume control knob. This volume control has to be set before you can start using the speaker kit. First, set the volume at each wireless amplifier to a fairly low setting to protect your speakers. Also, set the volume at the transmitter to a low setting. Second, tune your home theater receiver to a sound track with maximum volume and turn the volume of your home theater receiver to the maximum setting that you would normally use. At this point, slowly increase the volume control of the transmitter until the audio starts clipping or distorting. Then, reduce the transmitter volume control somewhat until there's no more distortion. This step allows the transmitter to have the maximum amount of dynamic range. Please note that if you're going to watch movies that feature a lot of short moments of high volume, such as during explosions, you may want to reduce the transmitter volume further to ensure that the transmitter has enough headroom. Finally, increase the volume setting at each wireless amplifier such that the rear speakers are balanced with your front speakers. You should listen to your speakers while sitting on your sofa or wherever you'll be watching your movie. If you own a home theater receiver that has an auto-calibration function, then you can fine-tune by holding a measurement microphone in your sitting area and running the auto-calibration routine. Make sure that you manually set the volume of the transmitter and wireless amplifiers before you run this routine. Now you're all set to enjoy your movies without speaker cable clutter. If you want to connect more than two speakers or your subwoofer wirelessly, then take a look at our Model 400 multi-channel audio transmitter. If you have any problems during the setup, feel free to contact us anytime or visit our troubleshooting section.